Hi guys! What a wonderful day we're having today here in Manila. Let me take you on a day full of adventure as I go to school in Philippine Christian University. Here's a little sneak peek in our day in the life as a multimedia arts student. wait, let me tell you some subjects we're learning in multimedia arts. Here are some specialized subjects Bachelor of Multimedia Arts has to offer.
First, we have drawing. In our drawing subject, we used to learn how to draw traditionally and digital drawing. Example like drawing plates, buildings, and human body figures. Drawing subject is important to BMA students because it helps discover the best ideas and solutions to a design problem. Along with that, it will also help in achieving the closest possible result in the product that has been designed. Next, we have painting. In our subject color theory, we used to paint and to learn different types of colors used in painting. Also, painting is important because painting has been proven to improve brain health, but it can also support your emotional intelligence and emotional growth. Images can communicate and express things that our words and thoughts don't capture.
So here we have photography. So about photography, and when we say photography, and the first things that comes to your mind is just taking pictures or capturing a moment. But photography is more than that. It is a art of process of producing images by the actions of radiant energy and especially the light on a sensitive surface, and such as film or an optical sensor. So right now we're still learning about the mechanics and settings and the functions of a DSLR camera, and for me, I'm not a fan of it, but it's a great opportunity for me to learn more about it, and it's fun. So digital drawing, and here we have the subject that I personally like, digital art, once called computer art or new media art. And this refers to art made using software, computers, or other electronic devices. Digital painting is an art form using computer software such as Adobe Photoshop with graphics tablet and stylus pen. We have some of our works. We did these artworks for our finals. And as for this, we aim for the clarity and cleanliness of the illustrations.
Graphic design. This subject is focused in elements and principles. Graphic designers concentrate on design composition, principles, typography, layout, and branding in order to transmit ideas. Graphic design is a creative process that mixes art and technology. Artwork surrounds us in many different types of ways, including print and digital media. Graphic design is a kind of communication that employs colors, shapes, images, and text to produce this visual content. 2D animation is also great for communicating complicated ideas in an easy way to understand. 2D animation combines graphic design, motion graphics, voiceovers, and at times character animation to create visually appealing videos that tell a story and visualize complex topics. Through the study of animation, you can learn how to graphic design, create GIFs, and yes, even make your own memes. With an animation degree, you can tell amazing stories that can make people laugh, wonder, or simply make them smile. Your only limitation is your own imagination in the world of animation. 2D animation is a popular, diverse medium that makes massive comeback. It can be seen prevalently in TV shows, video games, feature film, advertisement, mobile apps, and on websites.
Julian, pwede mo bang ibahagi sa amin kung ano ang experience mo dito sa Philippine Christian University?
As a multimedia student ba? Ay, okay naman so far. I mean, kasi ever since grade 10, nandito na ako sa PCU. So far, goods naman. Pero siguro yung ano lang is since tayo pioneers of multimedia, kumbaga nangangapa pa ang PCU sa ganung aspect. Pero so far naman nag-enjoy ako sa multimedia kasi I get to hang out with you guys, especially lahat tayo, we share the same love di ba? Digital arts, and yun. I'm happy naman with that.
Thank you, Julian.
Thank you din, Jaira. Napaka-pogi mo. Ang pogi mo ng personal.
As a president of an organization, ano yung purpose and meaning ng Sparks?
Sparks. Well, firstly, ang ibig sabihin naman Sparks is Society of Professional Artists and Creative Students. Right now kasi di ko pa mabibigay yung kasi yung pinaka natin, mission vision. Kasi right now, we're still processing pa yung natin, documents natin. Pero leaning towards tayo into documentation ng live events. At the same time, hindi lang basta yun, photo video. At the same time, graphics din. Kung isipin natin siguro, if ihambing natin sa production house, yun yung dating nung natin. Tapos siguro, pwede natin ihambing sa like freelance na industry, wherein may mga orgs na pwede tayo kausapin, mag-collab, and of course, you have to receive compensation for it. Kasi org nga tayo we do this professionally. O ayun lang yung natin, like, goal natin for Sparks.
Thank you.
Jun, kamusta naman ang experience mo dito sa course natin at sa school?
Yung course natin from first year to second year, masaya-saya naman. Yung mga subjects na paborito so far is yung mga ginagawa nating mga drawings, mga paintings, and yung mga kahit anong related to design. And as for the school naman, since mixed learning naman tayo, okay lang sa akin yung ginagamit na natin na Neo LMS. Hindi naman masyadong mahirap na i-navigate at makikita mo kagad yung mga grades mo. And sa school naman actually, maganda yung school natin since malaki-laki naman yung room and meron pang aircon. And if needed naman, meron din tayong mga facilities na kagaya ng computer lab. Kung meron tayong gagawing mga activities, pwede daw natin gamitin. And yeah, maganda-ganda naman dito sa PCU. And as for the life naman dito, masaya naman. Masaya talaga yung life dito bilang multimedia student. Okay naman.
Thank you, Jun, sa pagsagot.
So as a new members of Sparks nga, yung org natin, anong ina-expect mo and how's the experience so far?
No, actually, meron naman experience yung first na ginawa natin for intrams. Ayan. Yung experience ko naman is medyo fun. Hindi naman na stay ka sa isang gagawin. Like, minsan, from first, pwede kang edit ng mga photos. And then the next, pwede ka nang ng animation. So, hindi naman talaga nagsistay po tayo sa isang position. And as I expect naman from org natin is wala pa naman masyadong na-expect. Since bagong member pa naman ako and starting pa lang naman yung org natin. Kaya yung mga projects na ginagawa natin is maganda-ganda naman.
Wait lang, nabigyan ka na ba ng insight sa mga future parang plans natin sa org?
Oh yeah, yung para sa foundation. Ayan.
Nabigyan ka.
Yung hindi ko pa masyado alam yung actual details ng gagawin natin sa foundation day, pero gets ko naman na magkakaroon tayo ng booth.
Okay.
And as far as I know, sa tingin ko magiging medyo busy din tayo.
Busy talaga.
Busy talaga.
Within this year talaga. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, June. So Adrian, kamusta naman yung experience mo dito sa PCU and sa kinuha mong course ngayon sa BMA?
pumunta ako dito sa PCU kasi nag-transfer ako from Benil. Hindi ako masaya, yung wrong timing lang talaga, pandemic. And nakita ko sa online may face-to-face classes na dito sa PCU. So, nag-transfer ako dito as multimedia student. So, yung first year, first semester, second semester ako naka-enroll. Hindi ko nakilala sila before, yung mga kaklase ko. Ngayon, close naman. So, yung experience ko as multimedia class dito, ganda. Masaya pag face-to-face students kami, pag face-to-face, pag online, naglolokohan na lang sa GC. So, yan yung gusto ko sabihin, na maganda talaga maging PCU student as multimedia, na all good.
So, next question, ano yung opinion mo ngayon sa bagong org natin sa MMA, yung Sparks?
Yung opinion ko sa Sparks natin, as pioneering first time talaga pioneer talaga ng multimedia class dito sa PCU. So, kami talaga first time na maka-experience ako ng mag-handle ng events sa mga picture-picture, photo editing, mga After Effects. Masaya pala. At least na-apply namin yung tinututo namin sa mga klase, sa mga events. And yung bagong gawa kasi lang itong Spark, so inaayos pa namin yung first time natin, hindi maganda sa intrams so pwede improve na lang.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. So far, how's your experience sa PCU and sa course natin ngayon so far?
Compared sa previous college ko, parang mas smoother yung workflow. Well, at least para sa first year, parang medyo mas kaya ko i-handle yung mga subjects. I'm not saying na mas madali, pero mas manageable lang.
And sa environment naman, okay naman?
Oo, okay naman. Maganda yung facilities dito, especially since bago yung building
So, next questions about nga sa Sparks na new member ka lang din. Ano yung mga insights and mga expect mo dun sa org natin?
Well, I expect na since we're going to be a legitimate org in the college, dapat maayos kami. Dapat ma-train kami para mag-handle ng iba't ibang situations. Pero most of all, sana we'll have fun doing it, no?
Mostly naman talaga ganun. Last year din, di ba, yung ng ating
actually,
ayun, may experience na naman tayo. Sa intrams?
Oo, sa intrams.
Okay. Ayun lang. Thank you. So far, ano yung experience mo dito sa school and sa academic mo rin ngayon?
Anong academic
Yung academic life mo.
So far, sa school, sa university muna, bilang isang mag-aaral ng pamantasan o ng universidad natin, actually, ang dami na naman na experience last year pa. Andiyan yung naging campaign manager ako ng isang partido na tumakbo ng election, and as a president ng organization namin. Hindi naman. May negative and positive, pero so far, it's good naman. And sobrang yung bad thing lang siguro, yung bad experience lang is yung dun na sa mga professors and delay na pagbigay ng mga access code or ng mga pagbibigay ng discussion or pagbibigay lesson sa mga dapat i-lesson natin o i-tackle sa per semester. Then based naman sa academic, then isa din is yung mga examination, and hindi siya align sa mga schedule or some of prof o professors nagbibigay ng examination nang hindi naman tinatakal o nagdi-discuss ng mga nagdi-discuss or nagle-lesson sa bawat subject or unit na meron sila. That's it.
So, yung tanong ano yung personal experience mo sa university na to?
Ayun nga, meron siyang may positive and negative nga. Bilang isang estudyante nga, ayun nga yung na-experience ko. So, masaya kasi naging part ako ng mga activity and program. Then, sad thing lang doon sa academic, yung purpose nga, academic purpose, kung bakit ako nag-enroll dito, hindi ako, ang tawag doon, parang ang tawag doon, ang term doon, parang hindi ako, anong term yun?
Part?
Hindi, parang hindi ako, anong tawag doon? Parang hindi naging sa akin, parang hindi ako naging kontento or hindi na ba't sumasagot ka? Hindi ka pala yung interview. Gusto ko pag-char lang. Attitude. Anong tawag? Hindi ako na-kontento or hindi na-reach yung qualification or yung expectation ko o yung standard ko bilang isang estudyante and ang taas ng expectation ko kasi nga, university yung pinasukan ko.
So, for next question nga.
Dalawa pala kung isa lang.
Oo, tatlo. Una, alam mo yung organization na Sparks?
Yeah, oo. Alam ko yung organization ng Sparks. Actually, this year, gamit na gamit siya. Ngayon, kaka-open pa lang ng...
Since naka-work nyo na rin naman, ano yung masasabi mo sa org ng Sparks? Sa org na Sparks?
Actually, hindi pa ako binibigo ng Sparks kasi 2 beses ko na siyang na-invite and lahat naman sila is dumadalo at tumutugon. And so far, goods naman. Pero, please, yung picture, pakisend na po. O, tsura, nakikat niya na.
Do you have a talent in taking photos, video editing, sketching, or designing your own creations? The College of Informatics with its new degree program, Bachelor of Multimedia Arts, can help you enhance your talents and a foundation towards a great career in multimedia. Get the edge as a multimedia arts student by enrolling with us. Bachelor of Multimedia Arts is a 4-year degree program here at Philippine Christian University. This course helps you to improve your skills, develop your knowledge, and explore other things. It acknowledges that the collapse of various communication and expression networks enabled by digital media provides for an interface between the local and the global, the national and the transnational. This will help you make the right choice. So come on and join us in PCU Multimedia Arts. You will enjoy being here with a friendly community.